How to become a web designer step by step. So in this video I'm going to explain you everything. I'm going to make it very simple. There are a lot of other things. If you search online it would be very confusing, but I've broken down into very simple things, and by the end of the video, hopefully, and I believe that you would start your own web design business. And now let's get started. So the first thing to become a web designer is learn your skills, okay? Find and learn how to create a website. So luckily I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. You would learn everything about how to create a website from WordPress. Everything is there. The link is down below. First thing is learn and then create your website. Create a professional looking website. This is your business. This is your portfolio. Everyone online, all your clients would first thing is check your website. So make sure, put all your efforts to make a website and make it very professional and very simple. I would say minimalistic is the way. Don't try to overcomplicate things. You put your own style. So I see a lot of web designers, they look at competition and they just copy exactly the same. So don't do that. Make your own aesthetics, make your own design, and first is work on your website. That's it. The second would be help other people. So when you're starting new, you need to help other people, provide them value, go on social media, answer other people's question, and just genuinely help them and provide free content, provide free value. The third and the most important thing would be communication is the key, guys. That's the most important. I struggled a lot as well. Be really clear on what you provide to the client, and also be really clear what the client wants, because I always see that the client is not satisfied. Try reading a lot of books on how to communicate very simple and effectively, over deliver and go beyond expectation. So let's say you learn all the above points and now you got your first client. Start making websites. Just over deliver it, provide him more content, just satisfy him completely, in the sense where he tells you to create a website for him, and then create social media pages as well. It won't take a lot of time, but you're just going beyond expectation and you're helping him a lot. In the beginning it is really important because you need client reviews and client referral. This would help you a lot. And then learn and adapt, okay? So there would be new technologies coming in 5 years down the line. There would not be WordPress, or there would be something else. So you need to always learn and adapt. There are new technologies coming in, new web design platforms coming in. So always learn and adapt. Don't be stuck to one thing. Go and learn new things. And the last one would be create a community, okay? So create a community of web designers and graphic designers where you help each other out. So let's say you get a project and you don't have time, you could give that project to someone else, and this is how you create a community. Always think about helping other people. If you help other people, they would help you back. Don't be in the selfish area where you don't want to give the projects to other people. And in fact, there are times where I got a lot of projects from other people as well, because in the past I had helped them. So it works wonders. But you need to start sharing and create a small community, and that's the basic of how to become a web designer. And guys, if you would like to learn more about this, I've created a free crash course on how to create a web design business from home. Everything's over there. Business model, how to start, the resources, the softwares, the automation, the scaling, everything would be there in the course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. And if you feel that this video is valuable, please consider subscribing, and I would see you in the next video. Yaver Khan signing off.